In this video, you are going to see how to convert a Excel file into a CSV file. Here I have an Excel file. I want to convert it into a CSV file. Now let us go to File, go to Save As. Let us click on Browse to choose the destination. Let us choose Desktop. Now from the Save As type, we have to choose CSV, delimited. Click on over here, then click on Save. And here you will see a warning message. The warning message is telling the selected file type does not support workbook that contain multiple sheets. The active sheet will be converted as CSV. If you have multiple sheets, it will not convert it. Only one sheet will be converted to CSV. Let us click on OK. Then go to desktop. Here in the desktop, I have converted the Excel file into a CSV file. Let us open it. And here we will see all the formatting has been removed. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.